Hello and welcome to Ellen Ruth Soap. I'm Ellen and today I'm going to be making soap using this fragrance from Nurture Soap called Comfort and Joy. Oh, it smells fantastic. To me it smells like apple cider. You know when you have the orange and the cloves and you float it in there? That's kind of what it smells like to me, warm apple cider. It's yummy. And I've soaped with this before. It says it doesn't cause any discoloration or acceleration. It's great to work with. So that's the fragrance. And for the colors, so I am actually going to be using this for the very first time. It's called Trial by Fire from Nurture Soap. And Katie Carson over at Royalty Soaps loves this red. And I thought, well, if she loves it, I've got to give it a try because, you know, she's awesome. Soap goals. So I'm going to try this for the first time. It's gorgeous red color. I look forward to using it. And to go with it, I wanted to use this Silver Mist from Nurture Soap. I thought those two looked really lovely together. And one of the reasons I thought of those colors is I had bought these at Walmart. They're just little sugar pearl sprinkles, so they will dissolve or just pop off in the shower. They're not going to hurt your septic system. It's just sugar. But there's these tiny little snowflakes and these little pearls and the colors. I thought they were beautiful. So I'm hoping to incorporate these on top somehow. I'm going to see how the batter's behaving and everything. This is going to be an aloe vera soap today. So I'm going to get my aloe lye solution prepped, get everything ready to go, get my hair pulled back, and let's make some Comfort and Joy soap. So I've got all of my oils and butters melted and cooling, and to these I have the fragrance oil in here, and now I'm going to add my colloidal oats, 2 tablespoons of colloidal oats, and 2 tablespoons of kale and clay, which I put in almost all of my soaps because I just think they're fantastic. And again, these containers that come with the scoop are from the dollar store, the Dollar General, and they're like $3.50 for these. So I think they're great for soap studios, for your bulk items. So now I'm going to blend these dry ingredients in and with the fragrance in there and let it all sort of anchor. And I'm waiting for my aloe vera lye solution to cool down, and we'll come back and make some soap when everything's ready to go. All right, it's been a few minutes and the dry ingredients are fully absorbed in here and anchored with the fragrance. So here is my aloe vera lye solution that has tussa silk fibers, sodium lactate, and cane sugar. So let's hand stir this to emulsion and we'll split off. And I think this, well, if everything's behaving well, which I've worked with this fragrance before and it's really nice. So, if everything's behaving well, I would like to pour off a little extra of the Trial by Fire red and do a layer in the bottom. I just thought that would look really pretty. And then swirl on top and get those pretty sugar pearls down. This fragrance is so nice. And of course, I am making this late. It is early December right now as I'm filming this. And so this isn't going to be ready until the new year. And it's comfort and joy, and I know that's classically a Christmas thing, but I think it's great. Who wants comfort and joy all year round? I know I do. So I don't mind making this after Christmas. I think it's just specifically like a winter fragrance because it's so warm and comforting smelling. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. It's the next morning and I want to steam the top of this because it got a little bit dull last night. So I'm going to turn on my clothes steamer here and just gloss up the top and just add a little something pretty. Brings the colors out a little bit too. All right, I'm going to let this dry to the touch and we'll come back and split this in a couple hours. So it's been a couple of hours and this is dry to the touch after steaming. I can't wait to get this out and see how it looks on the inside. That bottom two layers, I wasn't sure if I wanted to, have them stay, and I knew that the batter was going to break through because it was kind of loose, so I went ahead and did the little chopstick swirl. So I'm really curious to see how that's going to look once we get in there. Oh, I've said this before, but one of the things I love about soap making is it's always a surprise. And I love that. You never quite know for sure until you get in there and cut it. So there is the little festival top. I think that looks really fun and cheerful. And there's the sides. So let's get into this. Right, let's get into comfort and joy and see how these layers came out. I don't know if you're even going to be able to distinctively see the layer. Yeah, not so much, but you can kind of see it a little. It makes for a fun pour. I think these are really festive and they smell wonderful. So again, I have it on the side here so that it will reduce drag marks through the soap. All right, let's get in here, see what it's in deeper into the middle here. I think these are really cute and festive. They smell great. So you can kind of see the layers, but it's sort of blended together. This fragrance was a dream to work with. It was very fluid for a good long time. But yeah, I think these are just cute and they smell great.